Okay, hi students, good morning. Today the continuation part 8 integration. So question number 171. If it is the problem is integration of 1 by x into x power n plus 1 dx, integration of 1 by x into x power n minus 1 dx, or here 1 plus x raised to n, 1 minus x raised to n. In all these cases, the way of solving is let x power n equal to t. X power n equal to t. Now, the question number 171, integration of 1 by x into x power n plus 1 dx. Let x power n equal to t. X power n differentiation, n into x power n minus 1 dx equal to dt. Right? Then this is dx equal to dt by n into x power n minus 1. Substitute here. Then we will get 1 dx 1 by x into x power n plus 1 dx equal to dt by n into x power n minus 1. Integration of dt by 1 by n is constant. X into x power n minus 1 is x power n is t into t plus 1. This is a partial fraction 1 by n integration of a by t plus b by t plus 1 dt. Put t is equal to 0 here, 1, t is equal to minus 1, minus 1. Then 1 by n, this is equal to log t minus log of t plus 1, which is equal to 1 by n log of m by n t by t plus 1 plus c. What is the t? T is equal to x raised to n. So 1 by n log of x raised to n by x raised to n plus 1. This formula also you can remember. If you know this formula, 1 by n, which is equal to 1 by n log of x power n by x power n plus 1 plus c. For example, the question is like this: x into dx by x into x power 6 plus 1. So what is the n value? 6. Put n is equal to 6. 1 by 6 log of x power 6 by x power 6 plus 1. If dx by x into x power 9 plus 1 dx, what is the n value? 9. So 1 by 9 log of x power 9 by x power 9 plus 1. This is left you only. If you want by heart, you can by heart it. It's yours, left you only. Or you solve the very fast, within fraction of 1 minute you will get the answer. It is you can solve by free mind this, but by heart this is. You need the memory power. Okay, not only this, the whole textbook, many formulas there, okay, and all other subject also there. So it is left you only, whether you want by heart. 1 minute, 1 hour you can able to remember, yes, but you should remember long. When the board exam is there, till that you should by heart this one. Okay, my opinion is do the concept, follow the concept, okay, do the fast. That is my view. Okay, like this formula, if I tell, if you want by heart, okay, each and every problem there are many formulas there. So that formulas, if you want by heart, okay, you will get confused, lot of confused in board exam. Okay, that is not correct way. Few you can by heart it is okay. So only few I have not discussed all. Only 2-3 I am discussing. Left you only. You can, if you want, you can by heart it. Next, integration of 172 question, integration of dx by x into x power 9 minus 1. This also by formula you can find it. Let x raised to n equal to t without formula. 9 into x power 8 dx equal to dt. Okay, dx equal to dt by 9 into x power 8 x into x power 9 minus 1. 1 by 9 dx by x power 9 minus 1, right? 1 by 9 dx by dt, this is x power 9 equal to t plus 1, t minus 1. What are the partial fraction here? A by t plus b by t minus 1. What is the a here? Put t is equal to 0, minus 1, t is equal to 1 here, 1. So 1 by 9 minus log t plus log of t minus 1. 1 by 9 log of t minus 1 by t plus c. 1 by 9 log of t is equal to x power 9 minus 1 by x power 9 plus c. Next, question number 173. Integration of dx by sine square x plus sine 2x. Okay. Integration of dx by sine square x, sine 2x we can write 2 sine x into cos x, which is important for JEE. Divide by cos square x here. Divide by cos square x. You will get here dx by cos square x and sine square x plus 2 sine x cos x divided by cos square x. This is comes up secant square x dx by sine square x by cos square x is tan square x plus 2 tan x. 2 tan x, right? This is the partial fraction. Secant square x dx by tan x, take common here, tan x plus 2. Let tan x equal to t. Tan x differentiation, secant square x dx equal to dt. So dt by t tan x t into t plus 2. So partial fraction, tell me, 1a by t plus b by t plus 2. Put t is equal to 0 here, 2, 1 by 2. Put t is equal to minus 2 here, minus 1 by 2. So 1 by 2, answer is log of t minus log of t plus 2. Log of m minus log of n equal log of m by n. 1 by 2 log of t by t plus 2. What is the t? T is equal to tan x by tan x plus 2. Next one, 174. Integration x by x square minus a square into x square minus b square dx. Let x square equal to t, 2x dx equal to dt. Substitute here, x dx is equal to dt by 2, then t minus a square and t minus b square. Use partial fraction, a by t minus a square plus b by t minus b square. A, how to get the a? Put t is equal to a square 1 by a square minus b square. Next 1 by b square minus a square dt. Take common here, 1 by 2, 1 by a square minus b square, take common. This is 1 by integration 1 by t minus a square, derivative is 1, so log of t minus a square. Here minus comes here, a square minus b square, if you take common, minus comes here, log of t minus b square. log of m minus log of n 1 by 2 a square minus b square log of t minus a square by t minus b square plus c. 1 by 2 a square minus b square log of t is equal to x square minus a square by x square minus b square plus c. This is the lengthy questions which are useful for JEE. Next one, 175 partial fraction here, x minus 1 by x plus 1 into x square plus 1 dx. So this type of questions, so far they never asked it, even in JEE and that, which is useful that. In CET they never ask. What are the partial fraction here? This is a by x minus 1 integration a by x plus 1 plus bx plus c by x square plus 1. When it becomes 0, minus 1, put minus 1 here, a equal to minus 1 minus 1 minus 2 minus 1 whole square 1 plus 1 2 get cancel minus 1. So integration of minus 1 by x plus 1 plus b, coefficient of here a x square and bx square, a plus b is 0, then a is equal to minus b, then b is equal to 1, x plus c, constant here a plus c, a plus c is minus 1, a plus c is minus 1, a is minus 1 here, c is 0, so x by x square plus 1 dx. What is the integration of this is minus log of x plus 1 multiply by 2 here because this derivative is here, so 1 by 2 log of x square plus 1 plus c. Next 179 remaining you can find it. Any doubt you can ask through WhatsApp. Dx by, already we have discussed 177, sin x into cos x and tan power 9x plus 1. Make it tan form here, divide by here cos x, here cos square x. This is the tan x. This is comes up secant square x dx by tan x into tan power 9x plus 1. Let tan x equal to t, secant square x dx equal to dt. So dt by t into t power 9 plus 1. I said one formula here, x raised to n formula, dx by x into x power n plus 1 equal formula 1 by n log of x power n by x power n plus 1. That formula if you remember, in place of n 9 write 1 by 9 log of x power 9 t power 9 by t power 9 plus 1, where t is tan x, tan power 9 plus tan power 9 plus 1, but answer is there in the form of sine. After that tan convert into sine, 1 by 9 log of tan power 9x by tan power 9x plus 1. You write here sine by cos, you will get the answer. You will get last answer is 1 by 9 log of sine power 9x by sine power 9x plus cos power 9x plus c. Next 180 integration dx by x power 1 by 2 plus x power 1 by 3 dx. This is for competitive JEE. Here let x power, what is LCM of 2 and 3? 6. Let x power 1 by 6 equal to t. Then x is equal to t power 6. dx equal to 6 into t power 5 dt. Substitute here. 6 into t power 5 dt. X power 1 by 2. X is equal to t power 6. T power 6 into 1 by 2 is t cube. Correct? Here t power 6 whole power 1 by 3 is t square. This is the improper. Degree of the numerator 5, degree of denominator is 3, which is improper. Make it proper. How? By using division method. T cube plus t square divided by t power 5. This is divided by this. T square, t power 5 plus t power 4. Get cancel. Minus t power 4 plus t. T cube into t power 4 plus t cube minus t here. Plus minus. Get cancel. Minus here plus t cube. Equal degree. Again plus 1. Okay. T cube plus t square. Minus minus. Get cancel. Minus t square. Right, in the form of first q of x, t squared minus t plus 1, q of x plus r of x is minus t squared by this is t cube plus t squared. Understood? Got a point here? T cube plus t squared. T power 5. Understood the step? T square, t power 5, t power 4 it is, minus t power 4. Then again multiply minus t here, t power cube here, t cube plus t cube minus t square. This is the remainder, that t square by t cube plus t square. Right. Now here what to do? 6 into this integration we know, t square minus t plus 1 plus minus t square. Here t square take common here, t plus 1 dt. This get cancelled. Finish the integration. T square integration, t cube by 3 minus t square by 2 plus t minus 1 by t plus 1 integration, log of t plus 1 plus c. What is the t? T is equal x power 1 by 6. Substitute here, you will get the answer. This is for JEE. Next one, 182, integration of dx by cos square x into 1 minus 4 tan square x. Let this is take up secant square x dx by 1 minus 4 tan square x. Tan x differentiation is here. Can you solve here? Let tan x equal to t. Finish. Secant square x dx is dt by 1 minus 4t square. Use formula a square minus x square. Understood? dt by 1 minus 2t whole square. A square minus x square formula, dx by a square minus x square formula, 1 by 2a log of a plus x by a minus x. This is, we can, next class I can explain this type of problems. So 1 by 2a is 1 log of a 1 plus 2t by 1 minus 2t and 2t differentiation by 2. We'll get here 4. T value substitute here. Next, integration of cos dx by 1 plus sin x into 2 plus sin x. Let sin x equal to t, then cos x dx equal to dt. This is dt by 1 plus t into 2 plus t. Use a by 1 plus t partial fraction, b by 2 plus t partial fraction. By partial fraction a, t is equal minus 1, substitute here. 2 minus 1 is 1. When it became a 0, minus 2, minus 1 minus 2 minus 1 over 1 by 1 plus integration log of 1 plus t minus log of 2 plus t. Log of m minus log of m by n, 1 plus t by 2 plus t plus c, where t is equal to sin x. Similarly 184 you can find it. 185 also we have solved already. 185 important for JE. Integration dx by a square minus x square whole power 3 by 2 equal to. If it is like this, for starting class we have discussed and yesterday also we have discussed, let x is equal to a sin theta or a cos theta, then dx is equal to a cos theta into d theta by a square minus a square sin square theta whole power 3 by 2. A cos theta d theta by a square, take common here, square can cancel, a cube, 1 minus sin square theta is cos square theta, cos cube theta. This get cancelled, 1 by a square, 1 by cos square theta secant square theta d theta, 1 by a square tan theta plus c, 1 by a square tan theta how we can get? By right angle triangle. Theta this is x by a, this is root of a square minus x square. Tell me tan theta, x by root of a square minus x square plus c. That is for JE. Next, integration of dx by log of x power x into 1 plus log x. Okay, this is, we can write dx by x log x into 1 plus log x. Let log x equal to t, then 1 by x dx equal to dt. dt by t into 1 plus t, partial fraction t by 1 plus t and dt. A, t is equal 0 here, 1, t is equal minus 1 here, this is. So log of t minus log of 1 plus t, so which is equal to log of t by t plus 1 plus c. T value substitute here. What is the t value? Is log x. So log of log x by log x plus 1. Next, integration of 3 power x dx. This differentiation is here. Let 3 power x equal to t. This is a raised to x. 3 power x. Again differentiation, 3 power x, here log 3 here. Again this differentiation, 3 power x, a raised to x, understood, into log 3. Again this differentiation, 3 power x into log 3 into dx equal to dt. So this is and this is right together, this is take that side. Then you will get 3 power x, 3 power x dx equal to dt by log 3 whole cube. So this is equal to dt by log 3 whole cube. So 1 by log 3 whole cube, integration of dt is t plus c. What is the t? 3 power x by log 3 whole cube plus c. Like this we can make many formulas here. e power x dx. Also this is the equal to answer by 1. Yes, 2 power x dx. Then we will get 2 power x by log 2 whole cube. Understood? General formula here, integration of a power x dx equal to a power x by log a whole cube. Next one, integration of tan x, tan 2x, tan 3x dx. This is in trigonometry first year, I think you all learned. There is a formula, just I am going to prove that one. X plus 2x equal to 3x. If you apply tan on both sides, tan of x plus 2x equal to tan of 3x. By using tan a plus tan b, tan x plus tan 2x by 1 minus tan x into tan 2x equal to tan 3x. Cross multiply, this is comes here 1 minus tan x into tan 2x, right? This is multiply tan x, tan 2x, tan 3x, transpose this side, tan 3x, tan x, tan 2x equal to tan 3x into 1 tan 3x, transpose that side, minus tan 2x minus tan x. This is the value of that. Product is there. This is equal to this is. Then now you can sub. This is replaced here. You will get integration of tan 3x minus tan 2x minus tan x dx. Tan 3x integration log of sec 3x by 3. Log of sec 2x by 2, log of sec x plus c is the answer. Srinivasa, next, integration of sin x minus cos x divided by root of 1 minus sin 2x and e power sin x into cos x dx. This is, we can write sin square x plus cos square x minus 2 sin x and cos x. We can write sin x minus cos x whole square and root. In the given interval it is positive, this get cancelled. So remaining e power sin x into cos x dx. Let sin x equal to t. Sin x equal to t. So e power t cos x dx equal to dt, e power t integration, e power t, e power sin x plus c. Next, 192 is a JEE question. LR of x means log of how many times? R times. Then integration of x into L of x, L square of x, L cube of x, so on, LR of x whole power minus 1 dx equaled. This is we can find by verification method. I am taking now r is equal to 2 or 1. If I take r is equal to 1, tell me x is L power 1 here. L of x or L square, you can take r is equal to also L square of x whole power minus 1 dx, then 1 by x. L of x means log of x, L square